Hi everyone, what's up? It's Joshua here from Alternative Brewing. Today we're going to be checking out the Brewer Cold Brew system. Now the Brewer is a glass drip-fed system for making deliciously smooth, bitter-free coffee. It comes in a few different colors, including the black one that you see here, and in a few simple steps, and left for a few hours to extract all that flavor, you can be enjoying multiple cups with the 600 mils of coffee that's brewed. So if you're looking to start cold brewing and want to shop the Cold Brewer, you can by following this link right here. Now let's put on a batch and see how easy it is. So the first thing you want to do to prepare your brewer is get that reusable metal filter to face the right way. Now there's a smooth, fine side and a coarser side to the filter. Make sure you place that smooth side facing up into the carafe. This is going to stop even the smallest of grounds getting into your brew, and then it will also be easier to clean later on. Add 60 grams of medium to coarse ground coffee into the filter through the top of the tower. Filter or espresso roasted coffee, it doesn't really matter, but give it a little shake to settle the grounds, and then also make sure there's none around the sides of the glass. So from here, we're going to add one of these paper filters, and there's 100 of these included in the box, to the top of the grounds. Add a little bit of water on top of this, and the paper filter acts as a dispersion screen to the drips, allowing an even soaking of the bed of coffee and avoids splashes or holes dug into the grounds from the constant dripping. That little bit of water I just added further helps get an even soaking of the bed prior to the drips as well. And all there is left to do is add our dripper control plug and our water. Now a quick note on this dripper plug, it does come apart in two pieces. There is a thin pipe underneath the main pipe, and this acts as a sort of exhaust for that air to escape the below chamber, because once you place this plug in, it's pretty well a sealed off unit and you're not going to be getting any drips or leaks from it. Then place the tower carefully onto the carafe. Now from here, add a 700 ml mixture of ice and water to the top tower. And ice is important to keep that water cool and avoids the water forming any excess CO2 that will slow the drip rate down or even stop it altogether. But once the water's done, keep a close eye on that drip rate and adjust the valve clockwise to slow the drip rate down, or vice versa to speed it up. But we're aiming for about a drip a second. Now, you should only need to adjust it by about a quarter to a half turn to hit that drip rate, but you can always play around with it for a faster or slower brew, depending on your flavor preferences. But after you've got that drip rate right, you can place the lid on and let it brew away. And you can check back periodically to ensure the drip rate is still going steady. It should be a minimum of 3 to 5 hours to complete, but you can absolutely extend that if you're looking for a richer, smoother brew. So once it has finished dripping, you want to remove that top tower, pop out that inner lid, and that makes up your lid for your carafe. And here you're going to have at least 600 mils of pretty strong cold brew coffee. You can add it to some cold milk for an iced latte on the go, over ice for a refreshing quick caffeine hit, or in some cold water or tonic. And place this cold brew in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. Another way you can really be enjoying this is taking it back out of the fridge and heating it up in the microwave for a quick and convenient hot coffee all year round, like you've just had one prepared earlier. To clean the brewer, remove the bottom silicone seal and that filter to expose the grounds. Gently knock the grounds out and then give all the glass a good rinse. The good news here is everything is dishwasher safe with the brewer, so a quick thorough clean before drying it and then assembling it back again for next time. And that's the Brewer Cold Brew system for making full flavored and delicious cold brew coffee. Well made, easy to use, and easy to clean. If you have any questions on the brewer, throw them in the comment section down below and we'll get straight back to you. Don't forget to hit that little bell icon on your screen, and then that way you stay notified when we bring out new videos just like this every week. If you've enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.